We are starting the quiz now.
Just proceed. No,
The first question will be able to see on your screens. Humans are the closest relatives to. The options are chimpanzee, tiger, chicken, dogs. You have 6 seconds to answer. Time's up. And the correct answer is chimpanzee. Next question. The faster you answer, the more points you will get. When you are flying in a supersonic aircraft, which of the following will travel slower than you? Light, X-ray, radio waves, sound. Which will be slower? And the correct answer is sound. Next question. The word atom is from a Greek word meaning small, indivisible, unseen, or visible. What does atom mean? And the correct answer is indivisible. Next question. Please select a pair of words that have a similar relationship, such as sand, glass. And the correct answer is tree and paper. Just like paper is made from trees. Next question. What happens when you squeeze a wet cloth in outer space? The options: the water will splash and start floating. The water will vaporize. It will form a blob in the cloth due to zero gravity, or the water will drip down as solute. The right answer is it will form a blob due to zero gravity. Next question. Nephron is the basic filtration unit of blood present in which of the following organs? Is it in the kidneys, lungs, liver, or heart? And the right answer is kidneys. Next question. Which of the following molecules has a structure looking like a snake seizing its own tail? Methane, ethane, propane, or benzene? The right answer is benzene. Next question. How do you best describe force as? Mass, weight, tendency of an object to resist push or pull, or a push or a pull? And the correct answer is a push or a pull. Next question. If Noida is written as OPJEP, then what will be the code for Delhi? And the right answer is EFMIJ. Next question. How do you observe first? What do you observe first in a thunderstorm in the sky? Thunder and lightning at the same time? Lightning, thunder, tough to tell. The right answer is lightning. Next question. What happens to an animal normally when it undergoes hibernation, where the body movements are minimal? It becomes minimally active with lower metabolism. Its body temperature will be higher than normal. It would experience fast breathing and heart rate increase, or it will be actively hunting for food. The right answer is the first one, where it will have lowered metabolism. Next question. Name a general type of mammal that gives birth to underdeveloped young that are kept in pouches. Is it mammal, fish, marsupial, or snakes? And the right answer is marsupials. It's a type of mammal. Next question. Which two gases represent the cause of the images seen? Oxygen and nitrogen, the first option, hydrogen, nitrogen, nitrogen and hydrogen, or carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Like the fizz of the soft drinks and the puffing of the chips packet, can we describe which of these two gases? The right answer is the fourth one, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Next question. All living cells definitely have. This includes all type of living cells. So definitely. The right answer is plasma membrane, because not prokaryotic cells do not have any of the three remaining organelles. It's only plasma membrane that all type of cells have. Next question. Where does the exchange of gases occur in birds? Air sacs only, air sacs and lungs, lungs only, or first in air sacs and then in lungs? And the right answer is lungs only. If you fill a paper cup with water and place it in a fire, why won't the cup burn right away? Now think carefully. Is it because the fire wasn't hot enough, or the cup would burn for sure, or the water will put the fire out, or the heat is dissipated by the water and hence the cup won't burn? Imagine and think carefully. Correct answer is the fourth one, because the water will dissipate the heat and hence the cup won't burn. Next question. The weight of a tank carrying 2 fishes is 50 kilos. Next day, one of the fishes died. What would be the weight of the tank now? 49.5 kilos, 50.5 kilos, 50 kilos, or 40 kilos? The correct answer is 50 kilos, because the weight of a fish will not significantly affect the weight of the tank. Next question. A food chain can be described as a list of ingredients within food, a pathway indicating the flow of energy in an ecosystem, or a list of foods, the energy contained, and location where they come from, or a pathway indicating where organisms can search for food in an ecosystem. The correct answer is the second option. It is a pathway indicating flow of energy in an ecosystem. Next question. Which of the following bodies of water is a saltwater ecosystem? Sonia Lake, Darwin Ocean, Rahul Pond, or Mali River? Think carefully, where will you find a saltwater ecosystem? The right answer is Darwin Ocean. Next question. The provided names in the globe from Arctic Circle to Antarctic Circle indicate lines of latitude, lines of longitude, the top 2 lines of longitude and bottom are of latitude, or you cannot predict. Remember, it's a circle across the globe. So what would it be? And the correct answer is lines of latitude. Next question. The age of which of the following is generally estimated using radiocarbon dating? Water, fossils, living fossils, or rocks? Remember that radiocarbon dating uses isotopes of carbon. They have their individual half-lives. So and the right answer is fossils. Next question. Which of the following rivers is an example of a non-Himalayan river, which does not originate in the Himalayas? Jhelum, Ravi, Godavari, or Chena? And the right answer is Godavari. Next question. The number of moles of solute present in 1 kilo of solvent is called, is it molarity, mole fraction, or normality? Remember, it's in 1 kilo of solvent. And the right answer is molality. Following image depicts the national aquatic animal of India. What is it? Is it East Asian river dolphin, West Asian river dolphin, North Asian river dolphin, or South Asian river dolphin? Small hint, remember where India is. And the right answer is South Asian river dolphin. Next question. Right there is a unit of. Does it measure time, distance, light intensity, or sound? The right answer is distance. Next. Which of the following is an example of genetic engineering? Growing a plant from a seed, inserting a gene into plants that make them resistant to insects, finding the relatives of a plant species, or attaching the root of one type of plant to the stem of another type of plant. Remember, it was genetic engineering. The right answer is the second option, where we insert one gene to make the plant resistant to insects. An antacid relieves an overly acidic stomach because the main components of antacids are acids, bases, neutral salts, or cannot be. Remember what would combat an acid? The right answer is bases, because bases are the opposite of acids. They would help in relieving the acidic stomach. Next question. Now, in this picture, we see fungus which is growing out of ants. What could it be? Parasitism, predation, mutualism, or too complex to predict? And the right answer is parasitism, because the fungus is using the ants to grow out of it. And the ants are not getting any benefit out of it, only the fungus is. Next question. The absorption of ink by blotting paper involves viscosity of ink, diffusion of ink through the blotting, capillary action, or siphon action. How would the ink go by inside the blotting? And the correct option is capillary action. when this velocity versus time graph, what can be inferred as the object in motion? Is what kind of motion is it? Is it at rest? Is it in uniform motion? Does it have constant acceleration, or is it in non-uniform acceleration? So the correct answer is it's in uniform motion. That's where its velocity and time remains velocity at all time remains the same. So this was the last question of our quiz. I hope you enjoyed, and we will be starting the quiz for the undergraduate and postgraduate students at 3:30. So you can start putting your login in for your usernames at 3:30, and the quiz shall start at 3:45. Thank you. The results will be announced in the prize distribution tomorrow, and all the participants, registered participants, will be getting the participation certificates in a week or so. Thank you.